Hi, kindergarten families. I just wanted to pop in and show you the exciting new changes that we have coming up for the week of April 6th. Miss Taylor mentioned that there were some parent requests to have the whole week of work posted on Monday so that parents could work on it at their own time frames, and we are totally on board for that. So what you are seeing here on the screen is our calendar of activities for you to do for the week of April 6th through April 10th. You have each subject here and what we want them to do each day. You don't have to do it on that specific day. You can do it whenever you get to it, and we have also made Friday a makeup and catch-up day because you may have other kids using technology at your home or things don't always go as planned. We get that as kindergarten teachers, and so we know that you need that time to get it made up. So we've given you Friday to do that. This calendar is not complete. It will be complete when we post it, but the cool thing is all of the links, if they show up in blue, you just click on it and it takes you to that video for that lesson. There's also some documents that you might want to print out. You do not have to print them. Your child can look at it on the screen and complete it on paper, or a marker board is even better, so you're not having to find paper and keep using more and more paper. So you can click on that, print it out if you like, or do it on a marker board or paper that you have at home. So if you click here where it says worksheet, it brings it up where you can print it out. If you have any questions or concerns about this layout, or if it's not working for you, please let us know. Your feedback is very important for how we move forward. So I hope you like this, and I wish you the best of luck. And if you have questions, reach out to your classroom teacher. Thanks. Bye.